Hey folks, Adam here. We're looking at this. It's a petite little security system. It is from Xsense, your trusted home safety innovator. Xsense Home Security Kit. Super easy to set up. I'm going to tell you why this needs to go in your cart. You pick it up for the safety and security of your own home. And you know how important it is to take care of the interest of your kids, your family, and your loved ones. This thing's absolutely amazing. So first off, the base just plugs into the wall, USB-C that comes with it, and stick around because we have the unboxing. Then you'll download the free Xsense app in your app store. Easily connects, right? Bluetooth's in, ties to your Wi-Fi, and suddenly, pretty much immediately set up is a great security system. You put these little bad boys with adhesive that comes with it. Let me see, where's the adhesive? Comes with all sorts of adhesive right to your door. So when a door opens, you get a notification that the door opens and closes. That's relatively genius. You've got a motion detector to tell you when there's motion in the room. Comes with two of these guys, and it's a great product as well as a great little remote control and all the mounting software you could want, or hardware that you could possibly want. Look at this. Now think about this. You can get a notification every time somebody comes in and out of your doors. That's great if you have kids. That's great if you don't have kids. If there's a kid coming in your house, you want to know regardless whether you have kids or not. You can get all sorts of information about movement detection. You can figure out what's going on in your house, and have a constant monitoring system with no additional fees. And because of the spectrum they put this on, this thing works for like 1.25 miles, which is absolutely insanity to me that this thing is so far above and beyond and advanced compared to the competition. Simple 5-volt DC input, and this thing is absolutely incredible. Comes with all the adhesive to where it's not a messy install. You're not drilling if you don't want to all over your walls, okay? You're getting all this safety, peace of mind, security, and pop-up notifications on your phone to where you know what's inside and outside of your house. So if you just want to rest a little easier, you want a notification anytime a door dings, and you don't want to have to pay those monthly bills of somebody monitoring, this is the product for you. Xsense. An absolutely incredible company. And yeah, even comes with the house is under protection by Xsense. You want that prominent on your windows, folks. You can get all the app for free. I should say it's a free download in the Apple Store or your Google Play Store. It's smart, it's convenient, it's easy to use. You can just scan the QR code, or you can go to your App Store, type the word X-Sense in there, and you're gonna find it. Everything you need, and I will say that this is the easiest security system for anybody to set up, so don't be intimidated by it. Put it in your cart, check it out. Now stick around for the unboxing, but if you're looking for somebody to tell you if this is a good product and if you need it, the answer is yes and yes. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos. Now is a fun part of the video where we get to do the box and the unboxing. Xsense, your trusted home safety innovator. Home security system, home security kit. Let's see these items. Base station, motion sensor, entry sensor, and the remote control. What's in the box? A base station, motion sensor, 2 entry sensors, a remote control, access box, and a user manual. All right, and it's got the code for getting more of their information. All right, so taking it out, easy to unbox. Looks like this box flips out. Now, I have not unboxed this yet. This is a real, true unboxing, so I don't know a lot about the product, and you'll have to forgive me. I may get some statements wrong when I'm taking these things out, because I'm as new to the product at this point as you are, and hopefully by the time we show this video, I've done a lot of research and know everything about it. So here's the power adapter, nice. USB-C, so I'm gonna guess these go together. Let's take a look. Power adapter, no, okay. Yep, USB-C, power adapter. all the wall mounts and things that you may need, as well as remote control. Nice. Looks like maybe some adhesives. These clearly go for the doors, for sensors. You can tell when people come and go. And a nice sensor here. So I think that's pretty much, let's see what else is in the box, but pretty much all of the physical items. We also see, thank you for shopping with us, user manual information, security kit info, and things of the sort. So pretty awesome, folks. You got the base station, the motion sensor, the entry sensor, and the remote control. All right, so you're gonna wanna dig this. Let's see if we can get a good thumbnail for the video. Lay these out accordingly so you can see them. Oop. Oop. All right, get those up here a little bit. And the box accordingly. So, pick yours up. Absolutely fantastic company. Xsense. I dig it. Watson digs it. And I think you are going to dig it too. Thanks for watching, folks. Say it with me. Adios, amigos.